Sometimes I regret my decision. But if there's one thing I learned from her, it's that you make your own rules. And then you live by them. And live with the choices you make.
You need to be quiet.
Every time. You know, it's these pants. Put my keys in there. I lock the car. I unlock the car. Set off the panic button. Same thing with my phone too. Just butt dialing all day. So hey, can I spotlight from you? Thanks. So, I'm a bartender down at McNeely's. Next time you come by, I'll owe you a drink.
I'm just passing through.
Passing through McNeely's? So, where are you passing through? Alright, I know. We're alone, it's a dark alley, you're here with some weird guy. I get it. I'll leave you alone. What was that?
You were just leaving.
Didn't you hear something? Hey buddy. Are you alright?
Yeah, I just stumbled a little bit, that's all. Yeah, I dropped my bag.
What's going on?
Next time, don't throw anything out the window.
I've always thought the end result is the most important, so in our case, making it through each day. How you get there doesn't matter as much. That's where we disagreed. When we met, well, I probably owe her my life. She'd been doing this long enough to know who was dangerous, and she stopped me from messing with the wrong people. At first, it was nice not to feel so alone. She was a survivor, and I had a lot to learn.
How have you managed to keep up such an expensive habit?
Looks less suspicious when I linger outside of places. So, what's the plan, stud?
She had her own rules. We couldn't steal from the places we spent the night in. Too suspicious. We had to be well planned, quiet, and quick. No mess left behind. We couldn't steal from anyone who was also hurting for cash, or would hurt us if we stole their cash. She may have lost her family and her home, but not her sense of right, wrong, and dangerous.
What is this for?
Oh, I just thought it was neat.
And another rule. We couldn't steal anything we didn't need.
Do you still remember how to play the guitar?
Yeah?
There's one in the corner and you should play it.
Do you ever wish you just slept in one place? You know, like a home? Alexa, how did you end up here?
I've never had a place I wanted to call home.
What if you found one, though? Is this really better than that?
In the morning, though. You should play it in the morning.
She had come to view this as a lifestyle rather than a way out of a temporary circumstance. But I couldn't do this forever.
How come you've never tried to score anything bigger?
Because it's too dangerous.
Yeah, but you wouldn't have to worry about anything again.
Or you could die or go to jail. Life isn't worth the risk.
Yeah, but what kind of worth does this have?
You know, you can leave whenever you want.
She saved me from stealing from the wrong people, but taught me how to get away with it. And the thing is, the wrong people was a risk I was willing to take.
Joel,
Alexa,
I told you I'm not doing this.
We can pull this off. They won't be home for a couple more hours. They'll never know we were here, and we can finally get the hell out of this place.
It's not worth it.
It is to me. Please. Trust me.
I can't.
I've always thought the end result is the most important. How you get there doesn't matter as much. I decided to make my own rules. So whether I regret my decision or not, I will live with it.